Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. So I know I haven't uploaded in a while. It's been raining out here and just been getting off work a little late, so it gets dark really fast. But yeah, anyway, so right now we're gonna be working on the EG hatch. So here's the EG. If you guys saw my last video, you know what's wrong with it. So right here I have Shunk2 lower control arms that we're about to be installing. So here, so I'll give you guys a quick look on how bad it looks. If you guys didn't watch the last video, look at that play right there. Yeah, it shouldn't move like that. So yeah, that's going to be replacing this. I did not get the other part. I think it's called the, I forget what it's called. I'll look it up right now. But that replaces all this and that. It was an extra like $100 or $200, so I didn't get that right now. It's gonna be doing the control arm. It's called the, I forget what it's called, but yeah, so we're gonna be replacing that. I just have to run to AutoZone real quick because the lug nuts on this has like this little special tool that you need, and I do not have that, so about to be going and grabbing that right now. So yeah, let me run over to AutoZone real quick, and then we'll come back and start this process. It's really easy. I think it's just a couple bolts and it comes right out. But yeah, let's run to the store real quick. Alright guys, so we got the tool right here. It's just a 10 bolt lug nut socket. It's 1/2, so it's pretty perfect too. Just like, oh what? Hold on, I just tried it. What the heck? There we go. It's like hecka snug it fits on there, so you gotta like get it just right. There we go. So yeah, I mean on the actual lug nut it says 12x15, so yeah, just so you guys know. But let's open up the Shunk2 and see how they look. So let me get it open real quick. Alright, so here you go. Has the Shunk2 little owner kit. Basically, you know, saying that you bought this product brand new, and it gives you a little card. So if you want to get like Shunk2 certified or whatever, and if you don't know what Shunk2 certified is, you have to like basically have like, I think like 5 engine like parts and like 5 cosmetic things and like interior and all that stuff. They have like a list, you can look it up online. They'll give you a sticker and just, you know, little warranty paper and stuff. So let's see how these work real quick. But open it up. Shunk2 little sticker, another little Shunk2 engraving there. I mean, feel pretty solid. I mean, they're new, right? So yeah, now let's take the wheel off and then I'll show you what's the next step. Alright, so now that the wheel's off, you basically gotta take the ball joint. You gotta get the ball joint disconnected from, you know, the lower control arm. Take this bolt off, take this bolt off, and then this bolt off. You gotta take this little pin out, cotter pin out, and then I'll show you guys how to remove this. You are gonna need a hammer, and I'll show you how I do it. But yeah, so take those 3 things off, and then I'll show you the rest. Well, and this bolt too. Just all the bolts that's connecting to the control arm you gotta take off basically. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with everything taken off so far. Got the one that holds the strut. Got the 2 of them over here. It's right there, or 3 of them I mean. And then got the bottom one off. So now what we gotta do is we gotta get the ball joint to disconnect from the knuckle. So you're supposed to grab a hammer, and you want to hammer around this area right here. You want to just, it should come off. So just hit it a couple times and it'll come off. So I'm about to bang it real quick. Alright, so I got it off. It slid off this, and then the whole control arm fell this way, and then I just hammered it straight down and it came off that way. So it was way easier doing like that. But as you can tell right here, let me go compare them side to side. You could tell this one was toast. So this is the part that was really bad. Look at that. It was already coming off, and this right here too, where the strut was at. So yeah, it was time to change them. It's the new one right here. Boom. So yeah, let's get this guy on. And I don't think it matters what side is what. I think there's no real driver side or passenger side, so we're good on that. So yeah, let's get this guy on. Alright guys, so I'm about to install it right now. Actually, there is a marking on it. There's a left and a right. So the driver's side is the left, and right now my girlfriend's holding the camera. So yeah, so basically you want to slide this right here. Shit. Slide that in there. And then you want to line it up to here. Alright, that's lining up. Shit. There. Then you want to grab the bolt, stick it in there, and basically you want to put the bolts back exactly how they were. So that one goes there, and yeah, so that one goes there, this one goes there, and then everything should go right there, back in place. So alright, so if you grab a jack, it'll be better to make this go up, and then you can put your ball joint and then put the rest of the bolts on. So I'm about to bring the jack and bolt everything up, and I'll show you guys how it looks. But basically that's how you do it. It's really simple. Same way you take it out is the same way you put it on. So I'm gonna go grab the jack, and then I'll show you guys how I'm doing it. You recording? Cool. So yeah, get the jack and do exactly what I'm doing, and everything should line up. You have to kind of line it up. Ooh, just like that. Grab this in the bolt. Stick this guy through. Get a hammer and stuff. Shit.
Right there. No, go down a little more.
Down a little more?
Yeah.
Come on.
Right there.
A little more. There you go. It's basically right there. Tighten everything up. And yeah, so let me tighten everything up and then show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so we got it fully installed. Here you go. Boom. And now let's see if it moves how it was moving. If you guys remember, it was moving right there really bad. Nope. It's sturdy now. So yeah, that's good. The other side's good, but I'm still gonna replace it since obviously it came with the pair. So I'm not gonna show that one since I already showed this one. But then I'll take it for a drive. Unfortunately, it sucks that I didn't show you guys how bad it shook. If I was going over like 20, it shook so bad. Like it felt like the wheel was popped, and both wheels were popped, and I was driving it. Like that's how bad it shook. But yeah. So I mean, just a quick little video on how to install it. I mean, I know I didn't do the best video. This is my first real install video. I didn't show it that good, but it is what it is. So I mean, I saw someone comment on my last video saying if I could show me installing it. So there you go. So I'm gonna finish up the other side, then maybe go for a little drive. I'll let my girlfriend take it for a little drive, see how she likes the EG. Drives pretty good. I still need to get the ECU for it though, so I can hit VTEC. Right now it cuts off like at 5K, since I think it has like a B18 ECU. But yeah, so let's get the other side knocked out. All right, guys. So I got the other side on. Now we're driving the car. It's still shaking. It's not shaking as bad as it was, but it's still shaking pretty bad. I really don't know what it could be. I gotta lift it back up and check. Right there, we're going 20. It feels good. And then if I go like above 30, it just starts shaking. I'm holding the steering wheel pretty good right now. It's shaking. It's just hecka shaking. It shakes everything in the car. So I'm not too sure what it is. You can hear like a noise. I'm gonna have to lift it up and check again, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm about to just drive it back home and call it at that till I'll probably check it out tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know in another video. But yeah, so we installed the control arms, the front loader control arms, pretty easy. Shunk2s, they seem pretty cool. So yeah, guys, till the next video.
Louder.